Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about window file conversion. And in today's video, I will show you on how to convert from WinRAR file to zip file without any software installed on your Windows PC. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do, I'm going to use this particular WinRAR file as an example. So first thing you need to do is to right click on the WinRAR file. Then next thing you want to do is to navigate to the WinRAR file, then go ahead and make sure you click on extract to the name of the file. So once you click on the extract, and then it's going to be successfully extracted, just like what you see right here. Now how? So after a successful conversion, after a successful extract, the next thing you want to do is to see how you can convert this particular one to zip file. For that, go ahead and select on the folder, right click on it, and the next thing you want to do is to navigate back to WinRAR file. Then go ahead and make sure you click on add to Anki, and this is going to pop up right here. Go ahead and make sure you select zip right here, and the next thing you want to do is to come down below right here. Go ahead and click on OK, and in a few seconds it's going to convert it into zip file, just like what you see right here. So you can see the zip file and you can see the WinRAR file. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to convert file in your Windows PC, consider subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.